Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make chocolate popcorn. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I was watching a video the other day where different chocolate products were being reviewed, one of which was chocolate popcorn. It got rave reviews, and I thought, heck, that can't be much more difficult than making Cracker Jacks. Turns out I was right. Let me show you just how simple it is. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own chocolate popcorn, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 10 cups of popped popcorn, which is about 1 microwaveable bag, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I also used a baking sheet lined with foil, a large saucepan, a spatula, a large mixing bowl, and a thermometer. Okay, let's make some candy. Set your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, then pop the popcorn and place it in the mixing bowl, being careful not to include any unpopped kernels. Set the popcorn aside. In a large saucepan over medium heat, add the butter and stir until it's melted. Add the sugar, corn syrup, salt, and cocoa powder and stir until the dry ingredients have dissolved. Continue stirring frequently until the mixture comes to a boil. Add a thermometer and boil without stirring until the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit adjusted for altitude. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the baking soda. Pour the mixture over the popcorn and gently mix until it's coated with chocolate. Spread the coated popcorn in the baking sheet. Bake for 10 minutes, then return the popcorn to the bowl and give it a mix. Repeat this twice more for a total of 30 minutes in the oven. Leave the popcorn on the counter until it's completely cool, then break it into pieces. And that's it! Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Oh yeah, this is really good. It has that same crisp bite as caramel corn, but with a super chocolate flavor. I could seriously eat this whole batch in a single sitting. If you like popcorn and chocolate, you really ought to try these. I was watching a YouTube video.